Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view all your saved Instagram reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all we need to do is just to go to our Instagram, and after that we will be needing to go to the profile and settings. So here we can go to the profile, and then you will find these three horizontal lines. By clicking on them, you will find all these sections. The one that we are interested in is the how you use Instagram section. So here we will find it, and basically now we will be needing to go to your activity. By clicking on your activity, you will find all your activity here, and basically you can find all your content that you shared in Reels. But if we want only the saved ones, we can just go to the saved instead of activity. So basically here, so we click on save, and after that we will find these playlists. And basically you can create a new playlist dedicated only for Reels, or you can simply just go to all posts, and after that you can just go to the Reels, and basically here you will have only the posts, and those are only the Reels. So here by clicking on Reels, you will find all the Reels that you have saved on your account, and basically you can start consult them. You can select them and you can unsave them if you would like. You can archive, like them, interact with them, etc. So for example, let's just go to these reels, and here we will find this one, and I'm just going, you can start liking it, you can unsave it, remix with it, add it as a sequence to your reels, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.